Nip nip. Yay. Barbie. Yay. Alright, start it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 20, 30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40,
Natagay ba din ang
50.
boses mo kasi pabakla ng step eh.
no way, 60,
Gay steps!
70, 80, 90, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 101. As usual.
101.
Saan na tayo?
Isang tubig. Sabi ko sa'yo, malinis ng tubig pag ito tayo pupunta.
But still, with the hairy shits. Now, let's go. And I'm going to take a shit now.
100 step po. Pero ano, gay step.
What do you say?
Pero saan naman?
Come on.
Yeah. Ike?
Yeah.
Ike raw. Ike. Parihag ka. Oo. Daijoubu da.
Hi, daijoubu desu. Ingatan ko na ngayon kasi muntik na ako ma-slide. It's fucking slippery, it's fucking mossy. That's what it says. The first step of this one, it'll be fucking cool. Otro. Sumukuha ng mga fishy dyan. Like a slide. It's fucking slippery. Hindi ko kaya mag-jump ng ganito kayong ma-slide ako. Now, you made the first step because it's your birthday.
Sinisibay kay kakaka.
Ang birthday, ang pinakauna mag-step, ang pinakauna magtalong. That's the rules, that's the line. Ayan, happy birthday. Okay na yun, ikaw lang. Buti na lang hindi ako nagtatalon. Para ka dyan. I'm going to jump. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to jump. Ipaportrait mode ko lang muna ito. Like this one. Alright. Ben, son, knee, each. Sarap.
Yan lang, hintayin natin naman.
Kaya man natin yan. We can do that, pero may tao kasi ba?
Bawal, magbangka-bangka man tayo.
Hindi man tayo magkagamit ng bangka eh.
Yan ang marami nang mag-isda sa pamot.
Man, I want to catch those fish. They will be new species of luck.
Men, paitan man yan.
Ah, paitan yan? Kala ko iba. Kasi itim. Ang paitan puti.
Paitan yan. Tingnan mo man, may dot sila sa ano na, dalawang dot sa katawan. Di mo makita?
Nakita ko. I want to catch the fucking fish.
May dati sounds mo dyan na, ba't may ano, SpongeBob.
As long as kung hindi copyright ang music nila. It's been 3 months. Hindi tayo nakaligo dito sa 100 plus 1 steps.
100 plus 1 step yun.
Kasi may nagdagdag pa man dito sa upan. Pero tama man din na 100 steps lang din siya. Pero okay. Swim there, man. Keep swimming. Keep swimming. Putang ina. Oh, guka. I don't want to get demonetized on my channel just because of what you're saying and also what you just did.
Bakit bawal pala yun, eh?
Bawal yan. Yes. Huh? Oh, sige, go. You may go first and then I'll be there, man. Anyway, I'm going to post it right now. So, what's wrong, man? Swimming across the border. Katulad yun na yung bata ko. Nag-swimming na sa ano, lampas ng border. Tangin. A love story, baby, just say. Record ko yun. Record ko yun. Chinilas yung sa ito. What the fuck is doing? What the fuck is that doing? Delikado kasi kung binunod sa akin. Wala na, wasted na si Merl. If it's on full, it's okay. Ako na naman yan. Ayan na, talon na ako sa tubig. Oh, oh, yan na, tawas na. May bato kasi.
Di magbaba ka dyan sa...
Oh, magbabala ako. I'm going down for it. Okay. Oh, lamig, medyo malamig yun dito. Ah! Fucking cold, man!
Sana may gilagyan mo dito yung Sprite mo para maglamig.
Gagi.
May mas maganda naman gilagyan mo yung Sprite mo dito para maglamig.
Oh.
Maglamig man.
Alam, dalhin ko dito ang Sprite. Pero pagkatapos mawala na. Paano tayo makainom? Pero pagkainom na natin, maalasa na tayo ng ano, ng dito sa tubig na to. Ayoko talaga magtalon ng dito ng ganitong tubig kay lalo na ito. Talon siya din.
Ayaw mo ng tubig na ano?
May kasi may bato kasi.
Ano gusto mo? Yung carefree ka?
Yes. Yung Care Bear.
Uy, wag doon!
Gagi, wag mo talon dito sa akin. Don't jump here, man.
Basta mga bata, Basta mga bata, mga tiyata. Gusto ko ba kanilang talong sa amin?
Opo.
Basta bakit? Ito ng Jesus. Mag-backtumbling ka ba? Diyan. Tapos mag-posting ka ng Superman. Hindi mo kaya yun, no?
Nope, I can't.
Yung
parang belly flop na yan eh.
Hindi kasi yung barkada ko dyan, nagtalon, nag-play ka Superman. Kaya nga.
How?
Diablo Moon, front flip, na Superman. Kaya niya. Kaya niya makontrol kasi katawan niya.
Sheesh. Ako kaya ko, belly flop lang.
Kaya mong dolphin flap.
Para mag-dolphin flop.
Ganun no? Tapos ganun kumasado pag talon mo.
Yan. Masakit yan.
Anong pakiramdam? Ano mo shadow diving? Meron mong shadow diving, sabi nga tawag.
Ano? How is that gonna work?
Meron nga tawag nga shadow diving.
And how is that going to do?
Ay, shadow
Huwag ka dura dito, gago ka. You fucking disgusting, man. Man, that is a stupid thing I ever seen.
Bakit?
Oh, parang nag-twerk ka habang tumaan lang mo.
Long time ago, there was a legend who training karate. His name is Laundry Samurai. Now, he's taking his karate lesson.
For this first karate lesson, all we do just use the punch of a palmer without what else, something like that, and then use fucking kick with the power. Of course, we use the speed as well. If you want to learn the fucking taekwondo, I don't know what the fuck is a taekwondo. Watch it from Warang. But let's focus on the karate. Fuck that one. And the other martial arts. Now, for this moment, you must calm. I can't swim. Anyway, back to this lesson. Well, to be honest, I'm scared of water. That's why because I don't want to swim. I can't swim. I'm going to drown with this shit. But it's for your lesson. All you have to do, shit, to dive with a flying kick. Like this.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. 2 steps ahead. No. 100 steps ahead. Plus 1. I would also always 100 plus 1 steps ahead.
Gay stare.
Tara na. Sakay na tayo.
Yan na.
Ay. Sige na, girl. Sakay na tayo.
Pagod pa ako?
Oh, sige. Hintay na lang tayo yung legs natin, girl. Oh? Sheesh. Sexy, mamacita.
Pagod girl?
Itong gay stairs na to. Pag akyat na lang, nagigingay ganun na tayo. Ang ganda mo naman tingnan, oh. Right. Next stop, Blue Lagoon. It will be actual blue or actual green or actual brown. Let's find out. Yeah. Let's go. Blue Lagoon this time again, man. For the 3rd time. It might be brown or it might be Shrek. But let's find out.
Walang ba yung bato?
Mga ilang months na tayo hindi na nakapunta.
3 months.
Tama rin, 3 months. Yan. Hold on.
Yun, nandito kami sa Blue Lagoon.
Or perhaps Brown Lagoon, or perhaps Shrek Lagoon. Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Bakit parang wala na, hindi ko na makita.
Wala ng tubig.
No water lagoon? Oh wait!
Yay! Blue Lagoon.
Wait, is it really now? Oh no, almost. Okay, they improved. Okay. Okay, okay, okay.
Brown lagoon na.
No, it's not brown lagoon.
Brown lagoon na. Yan na, brown na.
No, it's not brown anymore. It's almost as bluish. So I'm happy with it.
Oh, may mga isda rin, no?
Yay!
Fishy lagoon.
It's now a little bit of blue now. I'm happy with it.
Sige.
Yay!